In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pitch deck in Canva. A pitch deck is a short presentation that explains your business idea to investors, clients, or partners. The sweet spot is 10 to 15 slides, enough to tell a clear story without losing attention. We'll build it in Canva, keeping things visual, focused, and easy to follow. Start by opening your browser, going to canva.com, and signing in. In the search bar, type pitch deck or pitch deck presentations. This brings up templates designed specifically for pitching, so you can focus on your message instead of layout. Browse the results and choose a template you like. These designs are professionally built, giving you solid typography, color, and spacing. Pick a style that fits your brand and a slide count close to what you need. You can always duplicate or delete pages. If you want to adjust the canvas, customize the slide size. For on-screen presentations, 16:9 is standard and works well on laptops and projectors. If you expect to share a printable PDF, choose A4 so margins and text remain readable on paper. Now edit the core slides. Begin with the title slide. Add your company name, upload your logo, and write a crisp tagline that states your value in one sentence. Move to the problem slide and clearly describe the pain your audience faces. Keep it concrete and relatable, and support it with a simple visual. On the solution slide, show how your product or service addresses that pain. Replace placeholder screenshots or illustrations with your own. Follow with the market opportunity. Use a clean chart or bold number to convey audience size or revenue potential. Avoid clutter and add a small source note if needed. Explain your business model, how you make money. Present pricing, subscriptions, or fees in a concise diagram. Then outline the competition. A basic table or quadrant works well. Highlight one or two differentiators that make you stand out. Show traction or validation to prove your idea works, such as user counts, revenue milestones, pilots, or testimonials. Visual bars or badges are more persuasive than long paragraphs. Introduce the team with photos and short roles that show why they can execute. Keep bios to a single line. For financials and forecast, share high-level numbers and assumptions using simple charts. Finally, close with your ask or next steps. State what you want, like a meeting, a partnership, or specific funding, and how to follow up. Aim for about 10 slides, trim extra text, and favor visuals over words. Practice your narrative until it flows smoothly from problem to ask. With Canva and a clear story, your pitch will land with confidence.